Every year, more children younger than 5 die from pneumonia than any other disease. It claims 1 young life every 20 seconds. However, there are steps that can be taken to help prevent pneumonia, such as vaccinating before children get sick. While vaccination has helped protect many children from the potentially serious consequences of pneumococcal pneumonia, more needs to be done to ensure all children are vaccinated. One of the people working to make a difference in this global fight against pneumonia is Dr. Keith Klugman.
The burden of pneumonia is enormous, but knowledge about pneumonia is very limited. When one sees a child dying of pneumonia, one feels a great sense of frustration because this is a preventable death. I have a personal recollection of visiting a country in Africa called the Gambia. I distinctly remember seeing a young child who was struggling with pneumonia. The family had gone to the pharmacy in the town to see if they could afford antibiotics. It turns out that if a child needs antibiotics, only one episode where they don't get an antibiotic will be the last, whereas a vaccine can be given in early infancy and protect a child through the whole time when they're vulnerable. We know that prevention is better than cure, so prevention of pneumonia in young children is extremely important. I've just become a grandfather, and seeing our young grandson, who is now eligible for pneumococcal vaccine, makes me mindful of how lucky he is to be born into a country where this vaccine is available. There is extraordinary pleasure in research when you see a result for the first time and you realize that you're the first person on earth to have this insight, and that this insight could lead to changes in public health down the line. In the end, saving lives is our aim.
Parents should ask their child's doctor about the availability of vaccines that help prevent pneumonia, including pneumococcal conjugate vaccines that offer broad coverage against pneumococcal pneumonia. Hundreds of thousands of children's lives are lost every year we delay. You can help too. Join us in raising awareness about pneumonia, the leading cause of death in children younger than 5. Tell your friends and family about this video and encourage others to share their stories. Visit www.worldpneumoniaday.org to learn more. This video is brought to you by Pfizer.